Okay, one more time. Okay. Cool. Okay.
Oh, hey, steady it before you shoot, okay? Steady it before you shoot. You're waving it around. I saw that one too. That's when we came over here. I'm thinking it was.
Good. All right. Turn around, Jacob.
Goes like this. Hand up high.
Yeah, come here.
Cock it like that. All right.
Got it. Good, he's doing it. Just a little shaky there, bud.
We're going to want high. One hand high. There you go. Okay. And then, there you go. All right. All right. Set down. One hand, get that hand high. You didn't cock it. Yeah, get that hand high. Up here. There you go. All the way there. Now you can. Okay. I didn't hear it click. Okay. No. Can't do that. Are you left-handed?
I hit it. No, I'm right.
Okay, you should be looking out of this side. This gun should go to this shoulder. There you go. Look through your right eye.
All right, which one? The second one?
No, the one I fell.
All right. Hand high. Get good leverage on it. There you go. That's it.
Okay.